Vincent.
Trash!
Oh, what? Trash? Let me see that. What's that? Go, you can play. Yeah, jump inside. Uh-oh, what color is that?
Blue!
Yeah, blue. Can Daddy have the blue ball? Blue. Okay, thank you.
Blue.
Ha ha ha! You're such a good boy. Thank you. You have fun? Oh no! What's this? Yellow. Not mine. Say yellow. Say yellow ball. You having fun? Ouch!
Is he saying I love you?
Yes, he's saying I love you. This can only stay entertaining for so long. Kind of helps with learning colors and stuff, because he knows the blue ball, and the red ball, and the yellow ball. You can't say green though. And there is no green ball. Whatever. You have fun? Yes. Vincent, jump, 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 jump. Yep. That's my baby. Red. Now you're trying to put some cars in it. Let me see, Vincent. Your car. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. No. That sounds like a Honda. You're not gonna like Hondas. Actually, you can like Hondas. Boom, boom. You happy? Push it. Bubble.
Yes, in the bedroom.
Uh-huh. Give it to Daddy. Huh. You need more bubble mix? Daddy put it in for you. That's the only thing that's kind of bad with it. The little mix is literally held in right here. So you can easily pop it open and all of it fall out. So it's a good idea to fill it up maybe not even halfway or a quarter of the way in case the kids spill it out. And the mixture is really, really soapy. Yes. I'm gonna stay on the ground. Wow, Vincent, go push more bubble. You have fun? You like it? Boom, boom. Uh-huh. Go pop it. Go hit it. Here, give it to Daddy. Thank you. You're such a good boy. Go pop the bubble. Oh, you pop it. Gotta get you more. Mines?
Oh.
Oh. Vincent, all the bubble on the ground. Pop it. Go pop it. Pop it. No, baby, no. All the mixture is falling out. Oh, no. Oh. Yeah, that's a bad design right here. But whatever. It makes it simplistic. I guess it's really for adults making bubbles for the kids. Oh no! Can you say oh no? Oh, mommy home. Say hi, mommy.
Hi, Mama.
Get out of the car, woman. He wants you. Heidi. Ah, Vincent. Give mommy a hug.
Where's my hug? Bubble, you see Bubble? Oh, a lot. You like it?
Yeah, he likes it enough.
Oh, blow. No more. Give mommy a kiss?
Kiss mommy. I give you more bubble.
Can mommy get a kiss?
Vincent. Kiss mommy. I give you more bubbles.
Vincent, can mommy get a kiss? Can mommy get a kiss first? Kiss. Oh, kiss, kiss.
Home. Home.
Where are you going?
The bubble's kind of bad when he like eats it or something. I mean, he opened his mouth and he kind of runs into it. Okay, Vincent, go pop all the bubbles. Chinese marinated bread. Well, it's already baked for a couple hours, but I want to make sure it's nice and good. And one more. Yeah, well, small piece. There we go. Yes. Look at all this fat and goodness in it. Yes, yes. Seasoning, let's see, salt, pepper, orange juice, ketchup, and the red seasoning. What's good?
My ribs.
Your ribs? Not any good. Wait, is this your ribs here?
Ah.
Vincent? You love your ball pit now, huh? Yes. Oh, he's smart. He puts it in the bag and then he would throw it on top. So a lot of balls fall down. So now that it's cooked, we will double cook it after slicing it up. Look at that. Oh, nice and crispy and delicious. And you say you're full? Huh? This flower has been in the Jenner family Yep. With the hoisin sauce and the fried rice and the ribs.